In this video, you'll learn tips and tricks to help you get the exact search results you need quickly. In the last video, you learned to use words to perform your search, but you can also search for a whole sentence or phrase. This phrase may be a question like, "Where can I find free event spaces in Cleveland?" Usually, Google treats each word you type in as a separate search query. That means it will return results that best match each word, but not necessarily look for the words in the order you type them. To make sure that the search engine searches for the whole sentence correctly in the correct order, type quotation marks around it. If you would rather speak your search words out loud instead of typing them, you can use Search by Voice. Just click on the image of the microphone. If you've never used Search by Voice, you may need to click Allow to let Search use your microphone. After you click the button, speak your search query out loud. You'll see your search query appear in the search box. Then you'll see the results of the search. Now it's your turn. Try a new search using one of these tips. Use quotation marks to search for a full sentence or phrase, or use Search by Voice. Then click Next to watch the next video.